Hello folks, Akshat Gupta here. And if you are a YouTuber, agency owner, ad specialist, or a small or medium business owner,
you know that videos are the big trend. Also, visual assets and videos are the lifeblood of any online or offline business. But this can quickly turn into a headache for you. You know why? Because using copyrighted visuals and characters will get your videos penalized. It's really tough to find good copyright-free visual assets. Creating original 3D and explainer characters, even videos, require a lot of skills and talent. Creative subscription service also costs hundreds of dollars every month. Freelancers on Fiverr and Upwork demand a hefty amount for a single 3D character or even a video. I've even spent thousands of dollars every month for a good high-quality 3D illustration. The list goes on and on. I'm pretty sure you're facing at least one of these problems. But after working for 1 year straight, we created a solution, and it has changed the game for every video creator out there. Imagine if you're being able to generate your own 3D animated characters with power of real AI, making unlimited stunning videos without any skills, sell unlimited 3D explainer characters, even videos to your customers, and charge any amount. Access thousands of pre-made video templates along with an advanced video editor. Sounds unbelievable? Introducing ExplainerVideoz, world's first AI-based explainer video character generator platform to create unlimited explainer and animated videos for any niche in just a few clicks. Plus, thousands of pre-made video templates with unique inbuilt video editor. With ExplainerVideoz, you are just 3 steps away from starting your own 3D explainer character video agency. Step 1. Log in and select any character category. Step 2. AI will automatically generate unique animated explainer and 3D characters based on your selected category. Step 3. Preview or download in one click. Create unlimited videos and use it for yourself or sell to your clients and keep the profits. With ExplainerVideoz, you'll get AI-powered explainer and animated character generator, inbuilt advanced image and video editor, AI-based text-to-speech converter tool, AI-based image-to-sketch converter, AI-based image background removal feature, copyright-free illustration and videos, complete design suite, boost your videos clicks, hassle-free one-click download, compatible with every design software, 3 million plus HD stock images, 1 million plus Ultra HD stock videos, 2K plus vectors, preview feature, multiple formats, high quality downloads, social sharing feature, unlimited commercial license included, step-by-step training, and much more. And we're not alone. Over 150 top agency owners, marketers, and more than 20,000 customers have started making money with ExplainerVideoz. Till now, ExplainerVideoz has generated 421,792 plus animated characters for ExplainerVideoz. It's huge! And it's your turn to use it for your business to skyrocket your conversion and profit at low one-time cost during this special 4-day launch deal.
your purchase is fully covered by our 30 days money-back guarantee.
Try it now for 30 days. If you're still not convinced, get your money back. Also, it comes with a commercial license, which makes it an incredibly great deal. Soon it will be recurring, so hurry up and pay one time or monthly later. Act fast and click the link below. See you inside.